Ever felt like your skin is screaming for help? Dry, irritated skin can be more than just a nuisance. It can lead to severe conditions like eczema and rosacea. Imagine a soothing, deeply hydrating lotion that not only restores your skin barrier, but also limits water loss and provides comforting protection. Oat extracts, especially colloidal oat, are a gold standard for dry, sensitive skin. Rich in antioxidants and lipids, they bolster the skin barrier and protect against external stress. Aloe vera, a major skin thirst quencher, acts as a humectant, pulling water into the epidermis. Its moisturizing properties help heal irritation and inflammation. Shea butter, packed with fatty acids like linoleic and oleic acid, sinks into the skin to restore the barrier. It's also high in vitamin E, fighting free radical damage. Coenzyme Q10, a unique fat-soluble antioxidant, protects cell membranes and regenerates other antioxidants like vitamins C and E, crucial for healthy skin. Squalane, a natural lipid produced by your skin, can be extracted from botanical sources. It replenishes your natural supply, reducing irritation and protecting the skin barrier. These ingredients, when applied daily, can support your skin barrier health, keeping your skin moisturized and reducing irritation and inflammation. Say goodbye to flakes, fine lines, and the discomfort of dry skin with these research-backed ingredients. Transform your skin's health and embrace a smoother, more hydrated complexion with the power of nature's best remedies.